Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. So in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of New Zealand dollar, US dollar, NZD USD for 19th March 2021. So this analysis is for 19th March only. I'll be coming again on Monday with the analysis for Monday and next week onwards. Okay, so please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So we can see that market was in range. Okay, market was in range, we all know. After that there was a breakout. Okay, market went up, and with the same speed market fell down also, and again market is in a range. Okay, so let me zoom in the chart. So and the current market price is 0.7168. Okay, so let me zoom in the chart. It is taking time. Okay, so here is the chart. So as we know, in a range bound market, okay, we do not have much things to do. Okay, so here you can see that I have drawn two lines on the chart. Okay, let me take out the pencil. This is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance and this is the support. And if you watch my previous video, then hopefully you're in a good profit right now, because I told you to short the market here. Okay, and still you are in a good profit if you are still on the trade. Okay, and if you have not or looking for a fresh opportunity, then you again need to wait for the market to either go up to this level or to this level. Okay, so if market goes up and you see that price is struggling near the resistance 0.7270 level, okay, if you see the price is struggling, and if you see that okay, the price is unable to go up, sellers are not allowing the market to go up, and if you see a price rejection candle like this, or shooting star kind of a pattern, or a big fat red candle like this, you can short the market right away. In case market crosses this level, wait for 2-3 hours and just observe how the price is doing. If after 2-3 hours you see that price is trading comfortably above this level, then it is evident that the resistance has become the support now. Okay, and in that case you can easily go ahead for a buy above this level. Okay, so if market goes up, then these are the two scenarios. Okay, and accordingly you need to take the trade. And if market comes down, okay, then there is a high chance that market will not be breaking this level. Okay, because there is an extreme amount of support available at this 0.7100 level, so there is a high chance that market will bounce from here. Okay, in case there is a sudden heavy selling pressure on the market, then only market will be uh, breaking this level. Okay, otherwise if in a normal market will bounce from here. Okay, if market bounces from here, then just look for the confirmation. The confirmation can be in the form of a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern, or a candlestick pattern like this. If you see a bouncing back from here, then easily you can go ahead and buy. Okay, so you just need to wait for the market either to go to this level or this level. Okay, so right now just wait. See, most of the time I tell you to wait for the market, observe, and because trading is not gamble. Okay, you just need to understand the market psychology. If you do not understand the market psychology, you cannot earn money from the market. Okay, so understanding the market psychology is very, very, very important. So this is my analysis. Okay, so hopefully you've understood, and if you've liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See you on Monday again. All the best. Good luck. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye bye.